baby house in Minecraft. So epic. It's not Minecraft. It's Roblox. Roblox, build a boat. In my last video, I showed you how to peel them eggs, like to peel the orange. You just grab them and reset. This is my baby house I made. Oh! Yo, nasty wow. Thank you, Chill. Only for babies. Yeah, she knows. This is my elevator. Doesn't work because I don't have a 4th floor. I'm eating some cake. Nom 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 nom. Oh, she's going upstairs. My cousin. Yeah, not in the elevator because the elevator is broken. Yeah, let's watch some TV. No. Come here. No, I said no use of the elevator. Someone broke my elevator. Stop. You're breaking my elevator. Come in. Everyone, come in. Come in. Through the door. Where else you gonna climb in? Through the windows? Yes, I did. You might be lagging. Yeah, go eat that cake. I'm sitting on the couch watching my cartoons. Yeah, so epic. Bye, kids. I'm a baker kid. Okay, everyone, wait outside my house. I'm gonna bake a cake. A special cake for everyone to eat. Everyone, get out my house. I'm baking a cake. I put it in the oven. Time to go to sleep on my couch. My house! Stranger danger! No. My house burned. I don't even have a house anymore. Yes. No. Help! My house is broken. Good thing I saved it. Load the baby house. See, only for babies. You better eat that small candy, man. I'm already small. I don't care. Oh, so epic. This is my 3rd floor that I haven't made yet. Wrong way, kid. It's through this way. That kid jumped off. It wasn't me, it was teaching. I'm only eating cake. Something wrong with my house. No, there's nothing wrong with my nice house. My house is perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Not even a single thing wrong with it. Yeah, campfire.